Hey guys, Captain Dylan Hubbard here at Hubbard's Marina, and we're ready for another red snapper 39-hour adventure. We're going well offshore here into super deep water to hopefully catch a bunch of those red snapper, plus red grouper, scamp grouper, mangrove snapper, and so many more species. A lot of people wait all year round just to fish for this very short amount of time during the year when red snapper is open. In my opinion, it's the most overrated fish that swims in the Gulf of Mexico, just because we have so many other great trips and so many other great fish and a lot less lighter loads. Right now, we've got a very short supply, a small season, so that means demand is high. These red snapper trips are definitely a little bit more full, but we have some great opportunities for those light loads or limited loads 39-hour trips. And those limited load 39-hour trips give you an opportunity to get out there with less people and get a little bit more elbow room, but it does cost a little bit more money for that. But it's worth it if you're looking for that red snapper opportunity with a little less people on the boat. But even at a full load of 50 guests, this boat's licensed for 120. We have 110 rod holders. We only allow up to 50 in order to keep the quality of the trip high, and you're about to witness the mayhem that can ensue in huge piles of fish. Captain Joe, Captain Will, Captain James are going to be on deck this trip and helping you guys out. Captain Joe is going to be putting us on the meat. Captain Will and Captain James are going to be on deck, and we are just going to blast a ton of big snapper, grouper, and more. Don't miss this video. Sit back, relax, and watch the meat pile up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you're too busy to go fishing, you're just too darn busy.
What's going on, guys? It's Captain James. We're out here this trip with Captain Will, and Captain Joe's running the boat. We're here, this is about the third spot that we're making. We got a really good box going so far. Digging away at the yellowtails, mangoes, getting some porgies, barjacks, a mix of different things, and definitely really off to a good start. Fish about 150 foot, and got a long ways to go fishing wise, and we're gonna fill these boxes up. Come on home. going on, guys? It's Captain James. We're out here on the 39 hour with Hubbard's Marina. We're just coming out of the morning bite, fished through the night, coming into the early afternoon now. We got a really nice box of lane snapper, vermilions, porgies, mangrove snapper. The mangrove snapper took a little bit longer to start chewing towards the earlier hours into the morning. The mangrove snapper really popped off. We got some gorgeous mutton snapper. Now we're going to start picking away at red snapper. We've picked a couple so far. Now we're going to hammer out through the day and see if we can start getting us a pile of those going. We've got one box completely topped off, stringers pulled out, full, and it's going great so far, and let's just keep it rolling. What's going on, guys? It's Captain James again. We're coming to a closing out here on the 39 hour with Hubbard's Marina. Been hammering around, getting the red snapper throughout the whole day. Got some really nice ones, some definitely ones to write home about. Caught some really nice gags. Unfortunately, we had to send those back. We used a descending device, so most of all of them did go back. Come back out here and catch them again whenever the season's ready to open back up. We got some gorgeous, giant, big vermilion snapper. I mean, as big as they get. We got about 2 stops left. We only need about 30 more snapper, and we've got a full boat limit. We've had ourselves an absolutely fantastic day out here, and it's a good way to close it out with a nice limit of snapper. And let's see if we can hammer it out and get it on the last 2 stops here.
Hey guys, we're back, and I told you it was going to be a big catch, and look at that massive pile of fish. Just a stellar time out here on the water at Hubbard's Marina. Another huge pile of fish behind a successful long-range adventure. Remember, we've been doing this since 1928. Nearly 100 years and 4 family generations, and we're still hard at it. The Hubbard's Marina family will work hard and guarantee an excellent client experience with superior guest service while out in the water with us. And as you can see, we catch a few fish while we're doing it. So it's a great opportunity to get out there and enjoy some fishing fun. We got lots of opportunities to get out there and catch some good eating fish. We even have shorter trips, fun for the whole family. Anything from a 5-hour to a 10-hour to a 12-hour night, 12-hour extreme, 39-hour, 44-hour, and then endless private charter options. A lot of people know about us, about our party boat fishing trips like the trip you just watched, but we also do a lot of private options too. We have multiple custom built private charter boats, and we can customize a trip for you and your friends and family to get out there and go on the water and catch some big fish and have a good opportunity with plenty of elbow room too. So the opportunities, the trips, the different bountiful fun in the sun is endless here at Hubbard's Marina. Don't forget, if you're too busy to go fishing, you're just too darn busy. We hope to see you out here on the water soon for an opportunity at plenty of good eating fish as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube. Check out our Sunday night live stream shows every Sunday night at 7:30 p.m. We give away over $1,500 in free trips. All you have to do is tune in and watch those shows live on our Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram pages. We stream it everywhere. Check us out on social media. Look us up at hubbardsmarina.com, and we'll see you out here on the water soon.